Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is the second part of my video about the glowing glassy skin. If you missed my first video, I did a whole video about the makeup I do when I want to achieve really glowing glassy skin. In this video, it is all about the skincare I do before I put my makeup on my face. In the morning, I usually only wash my face with water, nothing else. So in the evening before, to take off all my makeup, I'm using the Balea erfrischendes Waschgel. This is from a German drugstore. It's super cheap and it's very, very gentle. I like that one very much because it is very gentle, so it takes away your makeup, but it leaves you a little bit of your natural oils, so it doesn't dry your skin out. Also, it doesn't smell like anything. It's just a very, very fresh scent, but it's not like heavily perfumed. So after I cleansed my skin in the evening, I'm using Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I use this cream for day and night cream because I just find it easier for traveling to only have one cream with me. And also I really believe that the skin is much happier if it doesn't have to deal with too many different creams and ingredients. So yeah, I really believe that using one cream which you really love is better than 5 different creams. One thing I do is mixing in an oil in the evening, and I have the Alverde Gesichtswaschgel Bio Wildrose here. This is also from a German drugstore. It's about $3. It's a bio wild rose oil for dry skin. You can just very, very easy take a few drops out of this and just mix it in your cream. I just mix it in my hands and then I put that concoction on my face, and I always make sure that I go down my neck as well. For eye cream, I use another German brand, which is Eucerin. It's an hyaluronic eye cream, so I think it's a lot of hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly in English. As you can see, I nearly finished this one, so I have a question for you, and I really need recommendations for a good eye cream because I like this one, but I can't buy it here, so I'm really open for trying new ones. But to be honest, I don't know at the moment which ones are the best. So if you have any recommendations for good eye creams, please let me know in the comments. I would be very thankful for that. So in the morning, I get up, I wash my face with water, and then I only use this cream, the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. I usually really pack this on, also down my neck, and I just leave it. I do my breakfast, I drink my tea, and I just really leave it to sink in before I apply my makeup. So as you can see, that is a really simple routine. That is what I do on the daily basis. Let's talk about some masks. I have the Peter Thomas Roth Pumpkin Enzyme mask here, and let's open this. It smells so good like pumpkin. I really want to eat it, but I shouldn't. I just show you here. It's like a jelly pumpkin puree. It smells so good. It's just like pumpkin spice latte. I like to use this every 2 weeks approximately. It takes away all your dead skin from your face, and I have very sensitive skin. I do notice that my skin gets a little bit red on the cheeks, but it just goes away again. So I really like this, and I feel that my skin is super smooth after I use this. I have another one which is similar in what it does, but it does completely different. This one is the Obey Your Body Purifying Gel Peel. This one has minerals in it, and you put it on, you massage it on your skin, and immediately the upper layer, like the top layer of your skin, comes off and loose, and it gives this super weird warmth. Like the mineral and the skin just goes like, it's super weird, like it just comes off and you can feel the skin under your fingers. So I really like it. It's super effective to get the top layer of your skin off, which is super dead, and it's a grey layer on your skin. If you have too many dead skin cells on your skin, then it can't reflect the light so your skin looks grey and kind of dull. So if you take that all away, then it can glow again. I tend to use this mask not so often because it works so well. I just don't want to take all the layers off of my skin and my face. So I use it maybe once a month because I think I would be afraid to just take off too much. But once a month is great. So I use this one maybe twice. Yeah, maybe twice a month. So I use the pumpkin masks more often, but then sometimes I replace this one by this one. So the two masks I just showed you are good for taking away all the dead skin in your face. And I really like the Garnier Skinactive masks. It's those ones, to put the moisture back in the face after I use the other ones. So I first do the pumpkin mask or the mineral mask, and then I take one of those. Yesterday I used the Hydra Bomb Glow Boosting Mask. It's this one, the pink one. So I used it. I just kept this to show to you. But they also have the Hydra Bomb Pomegranate and Hyaluronic Acid masks. It's the blue one, the silver one. And these ones are all sheet masks. So it's super easy to just put on and lie on the bed, watch a movie, just relax. This one is a little bit different. This one is a fresh mix sheet mask, and it has this sheet mask up here and then the serum is down here. So it's not combined yet. And just before you use it, you combine the two. So it's really fresh and all the ingredients still have the power to work the magic on your skin. So that's all I do. I just really make sure I cleanse my skin very well before I go to bed so that all my makeup is down. And also, even if I don't wear makeup on that day, I cleanse my skin very thoroughly and put a lot of moisture back on before I go to bed. The next morning I just wash it with water and put a lot of moisture on again before I put my makeup on. And yeah, once a week I do a sheet mask, and every 1 or 2 weeks I do one of the other masks. So it's really not so much, but I enjoy. I really love doing masks because it's just, in the time I do it, it's just me. Like, I can just relax. I can watch a movie or YouTube or whatever else I want to do, but it's just my personal relaxed time. I also want to say to this video that I'm no expert by no means in this whole skincare topic. I just did that video because it was a huge request from you guys, and yeah, I just showed you what I am doing personally. It works very well for my skin and I'm happy with my skincare routine. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments down below, and also please recommend an eye cream because I really want to try a new one. If you are not already subscribed, you can do that. And you can also hit the notification bell so that you get a little note when I upload a new video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!